Okay, editor Kim here. I just want to take a little moment to talk about how I was actually feeling here. Although I looked super nonchalant and unbothered, I was actually facing electrocutal pain in my ear as she was inserting the needle in that very moment. Usually, I'm a very facially expressive person, but I tried my hardest here to not really show anything and be unbothered as I could because I was in front of a lot of people. So I hope it came off that way. Additionally, I would like to thank Penny Pears for the wonderful piercing. I love it so much. Usually piercings take 6 to 8 weeks to heal. Mine actually healed within 4 weeks. That only goes to show that Penny Pears handle their piercings with precision and care.
For documentation.
Sige lang po. Congratulations on your
I'm officially pierced. Whoa, gulo na buhok. Add some color in your outfits.
Hindi abot yung pulo ko dun, Kima.
Sorry ba? Sorry,
Bigla lang yung nakita ko dun.
I'm sorry.
Okay lang.
Ano ba? Ano pang gagawin natin ngayon? Nasa sinihan tayo ngayon. We're going to book tickets. Ayan na, Devil Wears Prada. Okay po, so magko-commute po ako. Hindi po alam na magulang ko. Pero sobrang excited na po ako. Let's go! we made it. Okay, so we're gonna travel. Just a 7-minute walk lang naman. Punta kami sa podium, tapos kakain kami ulit. Kakatapos na namin kumain. Let's go! Best seller niyo. Sige, isang Biscoff frozen yogurt. Okay sa'yo to. This one? Pero matamis din. Yeah, that's drink. Matamis.
Order ka. Order ka.
Elsa daw siya. I'm pretty sure. It's called Podium Social. So, there's outside. Where do you want to go?
This heat?
Doon na lang, parang kailangan ba natin mag-ano? I don't see no...
Ew, I'm gonna get pink eye. You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver.
going to Baguio. I got a hot chocolate that's not hot, it's cold. Therefore, it's called cold chocolate. And we're waiting for Dad because he's peeing. Stop over. Okay. Oh, these are all our jackets. My stuff. And some of our stuff here. Oh, look at the nails. I'll give you like a better view of everything when I get my makeup on. What's your favorite, Mom?
This is my favorite bread.
This one. Kamote bread.
This one is good.
Oh, it's been a while. It's been 4 years since I've been in Baguio. There's the menu. Ang naalala ko, I didn't really like the milk because I was young and my taste buds were weird. So right now, I feel like I'm gonna like the milk. So I'm gonna give it a try. Hi, y'all. I don't usually talk when I eat, so y'all are just gonna have to watch. I'm gonna try the milk now. The milk, it was not how I expected because the last time I tried the milk, it tastes like has like a mint taste to it. This one don't. Also, I got scones with a side of jam and butter. My mom got her signature kamote bread. Ayan kaya tapa. Okay. Oh, what's that?
This is how mother keep.
Isa pa.
Okay, my sweet angel. This is how mother maintains her weight loss. 3 eggs. Yes. And what else do you have here? You have some chilies, cilantro, and lemon. Yes.
Ang sarap ng air dito. And hindi ko siya masyado na-enjoy nun. Kasi antok lang ako the whole time. But now, antok pa rin ako. But I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna stay awake. Sa rooftop na kami. Normally, pag nasa rooftop ka sa SM na, let's say SM or ganon sa Pasay, ang init. Sobrang init. Parang gusto mo na pumasok ulit sa mall.
Dito mainit.
Dito, it's cold. And we're in the sun. And the breeze, it's still cold. Ang dami din nag-hangout dito sa labas. After this, pumunta kami ng Mines View Park because gusto namin makita yung mga doggies. Specifically me. Tada!
I think ito yung bus papunta.
Okay. So I forgot to give you an outfit check. RL, my beautiful Korean frog. Thank you, Mom. And New Balance. Nalimutan ni Mami mag-record. Sorry. Here's my outfit check. I got my top from TikTok Shop, my belt from TikTok Shop, my pants from Levi's, my shoes from New Balance, or should I say Old Balance because they're wrecked. Bag, Ralph Lauren, Korean, beautiful Korean frog my mom bought for me. Casio watch that I inherited from my mom, more stuff that I stole from my mom, and my nails. Look at that.
Thank you, Aya.
Thank you, Ate Aya. I hope you guys like the outfit check. So we're looking for that.
Kasi si Daddy may sarili siyang
Ano sabihin natin?
may happy siya. Na pag pupunta sa mall,
Mamarkahan niya.
kailangan niyang i-rate ang CR ng mall.
Meron siyang bago minarkahan ngayon na mall, which is SM City Baguio. Baguio yan
So
ah.
malalaman natin kung gaano kaganda ang
Malamig-lamig pa.
kung malamig ba ang upuan, ang trono. Ano sa'yo mo sa CR na?
Ano masabi mo sa CR ng SM?
Parang naka-lounge.
Wow. May bidet?
Oo, meron.
Uy.
You recommend
Oo.
for all the fathers out there?
Tapos yung, ano
You
nila,
recommend the restaurant?
yung water sa flash nila, recycled.
Wow! So, how many stars? How do you rate it?
4.5.
4 point. Bigla Baguio, SM Baguio.
So guys, if may kailangan ko yung recommendation kung saan pwedeng, you know, like emergency, potty break, marami kami recommend na malls. We have that, but we also have that. Virgo Sun, Aquarius Moon, Cancer Rising. That's me. Look how cute! Mommy, look. Cottage core for your dolls. Wow! You get this too. A lot of it.
Buwang kita.
Okay lang.
Yung nagtatarot kanina, ba dumaan tayo? Nakainong tingin niya sa akin. Tinabahan ako.
Ano ba?
Oo, nakainong tingin niya sa akin. Hindi nakailang balik tayo. Titingin siya ngayon.
Hindi lang kuha ni Oram.
May bayad kaya pag tinanong siya, ano po kulay ng aura ko? May bayad kaya yun. Gusto ko lang malaman kung anong kulay kasi hindi ko matanggap na green. Ang bakit naman kung green yung aura ko, ibig sabihin mabaho ito. Joke lang.
Hindi ko kasi ayusin yan. Pwede mo gamitin yan yung galing.
So at this point, we had been walking for hours and my feet hurt, so all I could ever do was admire the view. But we are headed back to our hotel to rest our feet and regain our energy for the next day. So the hotel that we stayed at is called Lee Boutique Hotel. So the next time that you're planning to visit Baguio, make sure to check that place out because their service and their ambience is absolutely outstanding there. This hotel is called Lee Boutique Hotel in Baguio. Yeah, we booked 3 days and 2 nights. So, bali 4K siya pag overnight lang, which is a great deal. Now, of course, I'm going to give a room tour. Okay, upon entering, here's the door. You can see the door right here. Yeah. And then you walk in here, you'll see this shelf here. A grand mirror, as usual. In hotel rooms, there's always a grand mirror next to the door. Okay, the shelf where you can store all your stuff, and then you can hang your jackets here. Yeah. And here is very cool. It's very cool. See, it slides. We got a bathtub. It's my first time having a bathtub in the hotel room. This is probably my favorite part. Look how cute. Don't mind this, but look how cute the chair is. And the brick wall, the TV. Yeah, I like that. It's so cold here. Can I see my breath or something?
Wala. Actually, good thing na nakapunta na tayo kaagad dito before we had the dinner like around 4:30. 4:30 or 5. Sakto lang nung pag-akyat natin dito, hindi nag-start pa lang yung fog.
Yeah. Oh, medyo
super-
ano pa siya, mainit pa, pero yung wind naman niya is breezy pa. Like, it's a cold wind. So, hindi man siya sobrang init as I expected it to be. Pero ayun nga, tapos umulan ng hapon. Medyo malakas yung ulan. Tapos, nag-stop din siya after like 15 minutes or something. Tapos, after nun mag-stop, nagsimula na maging like colder. Bago pa tayo mag-end ng first day, meron kami nabili sa Session Road.
Pakita ko kung ano na po haba. This is what
Ayan, ito
I
yung binili
get.
namin.
Look. Ang cute! Super!
Okay, this is from, pumunta kami ng Ililikha Artist Village. Very cute.
Worth it. I was hoping na merong mermaid or shells or pawikan akong makita, pero okay pa rin kasi meron, ito favorite kasi ito ni Kim kaya naging favorite ko. Anything na favorite ni Kim nagiging gusto ko eh. And then ito, dati ko pa naman gusto yung beach. Check lang.
Yun din yung kasagsagan. Yung pumunta kami ng Ililikha Artist Village. Biglang umulan na malakas. Pero ayun, after nun, naglakad kami sa SM Baguio and then kumain kami ng hot pot session as our early dinner. And it's really, really, really good. Okay, for real na, that's the whole recap of our first day. Tomorrow is our second day and I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to Camp John Hay. Mines View, probably. And then, baka bumalik kami sa Session Road for painting ng plates or something. Maybe, we don't know yet. Then and then we'll also eat at Hay Diner. Third day, uuwi na kami, pero I don't know, maybe may pag-isipan pa kami because we're not really in a rush, you know. We're gonna be having fun. So that's all for today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!
Good morning, y'all. It's day 2. It's time for me to get ready. And if you're wondering why my ears look like this, I know it's funny. This is like a Korean hack. Like right when you wake up, you can depuff your face using these rubber bands. I feel like it does work for me because by like after 30 minutes, my face becomes completely depuffed. So I don't know. It's probably just me. Too much. As I felt I was like, I can't even remember what I was dreaming because my sleep was so good. I'm gonna start with my base now. This is my concealer. Now for the blush, I will be using Sunny's Face. It's in the color Peach. Look how much I used already. Your eyebrow, like if your inner brow has to like be here.
Mga assorted. There's white chocolate, there's strawberry. I think there's also matcha pa and ube, but I prefer just this. It's yummy.
strawberry.
It's early.
Hanapin mo si Baet. Actually, nag-bump in. Nakita ko lang siya sa random day. Baet, madaan ka lang sa Sagada ha. Si Charmaine. Nainis siya kasi bakit orange? Orange siya eh. Ba't orange ang pangalan niya? Ba't di na lang daw Charmaine? So, gets mo na ba?
Hindi ko kilala yun.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. Lagi ko nakikita yung parang frog belt bag. Na-curious ako dun. Nagagamit ba talaga yun? We're gonna wait in the car until I eat. Pupunta na tayo sa secret garden, which is not so secret anymore because there's a lot of people. So, oh, is that a crow? Whoa! Pretty sure it's a crow. It's cool. It reminds me a lot of Japan because there's like crows everywhere. Connection Pocahontas. I see you.
I see you.
Look at the trees. Edward. Edward. Inay, anong ulam natin yung gabi?
Ito yung bahay ni Kam Chan Hei.
Grabe. Whoa. Andito na kami sa night market. So, nag-stay na kami dito. Kami na naghintay sa kanila. So, it's good. All good. No pressure, guys. Maaga pa naman. Sadyang maaga lang talaga kami. But I'm really excited to try. Hopefully, merong chocolate-covered strawberries. That's what I want to try. How about you, Mom? What would you want to try in the night market?
Gusto ko lang ma-experience. Pero, sabi maraming tao eh. So, baka sana hindi ako ma-overstimulate. Yun lang naman.
Pero nauna naman tayo. Ako lang nga tayo excited sa pagkain, pero okay lang.
Kasi kumain na kami sa Luisa's.
Luisa's Cafe! Masarap po.
One of the OGs ng mga mamihan yata. Ang sarap yung siopaw nila kasi gusto namin yung medyo fluffy yung bread. Ayaw namin yung dense yung...
Oo, hindi siya nakakaumay. Parang siya yung like
nakakaumay.
light lang na bread.
Sarap siya. Tapos yung sauce niya, saktong-sakto lang, hindi masyadong matamis. Kahit yung mismong asado niya,
Parang flaky, parang
Oo,
ma-fiber
parang-
yung
oo,
ano niya.
flaky yung
Hindi siya yung parang,
asado niya.
ano ba yung gelatin na
Yes.
sausage.
Tapos, isa pang masarap ay yung Chicharong bulaklak.
Chicharon bulaklak, yeah. I love chicharon bulaklak. Ang dami ko na nakain ng chicharon bulaklak. Pero this one takes the cake for me and for my mom and for my dad as well.
Kasi
Because,
malambot, no?
pa-open na yung night market. Dumadami na sila. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it.
Ay, yung ano,
Gusto ko
inihaw
mag-strawberry.
na balot.
Ayun yung strawberry! Chocolate strawberry!
Inihaw na balot. Gusto ko lang i-try.
Inihaw na balot?
Oo. Pero
Oo,
parang balot
never
lang
tried.
din naman yun. Tapos nilagyan lang chili garlic.
Smoky.
Alam ko na yung lasa, pero wala lang.
Matay lang.
At saka alam mo guys, sa mga napansin namin,
Si Mami
yung
marami
mga
ba?
taga-Baguio, ang babait nila.
Ah, yeah! Sobrang bait nila. Kahit sa mga
Sila, sir,
parking
mga
lang.
Nagpapark. Mababait sila.
Sobrang sanay namin sa Manila na medyo
Siguro fast-paced.
fast-paced, tapos parang straightforward, very blunt.
Nandun na nga ako sa point na parang gusto kong tumira ng bahay.
Ako din eh. Isa din gusto kong mapuntahan is Busan. I'd like to go there.
Pero I promise them na talagang next time mabusan din yan. Yan, read scallops.
I wanna try.
You can try.
Yung iba hindi pa ata ready. Dami ko nakikita pero wala din kasi wala kang salamin. So parang, may astigmatism ako. So lahat may lines. Pag di nagustuhan, pwedeng ibalik. Sila itatry nila yung malu.
Tapos ayun pala, dito, ewan ko, ngayon lang siguro ngayong, anong month ngayon?
June.
Siguro pag June, kasi ngayon, kasi madalas umuulan pagkagabi or hapon. So, may tas yun, dala kayo lagi ng umbrella and
Cap.
naka.
Thank you po! Tada! Let's go, mukbang! Oh, it's good balot.
Samayin mo yung dalawa.
Pwede maglagay ng spicy, oh. Ayan na, grilled balot!
Cheers.
Isang butter, isang garlic, chili garlic.
Well, that's all for today's travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. And if you're vibing with my videos, feel free to check out my channel. And while you're at it, click the like and sub button too, because I'd really appreciate that. And that's it. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye!